We offer a lifetime warranty on your dental implants. It sounds so wonderful, like you're protected forever. I won't call it an outright scam because that's not fair. But I'll tell you this, that promise very oftenly covers the one thing least likely to fail and quietly leaves out the things that actually do. Let's read the fine print before you fall for the phrase. An implant has two main pieces. The fixture, which is the titanium part, which is the support in your bone, and the crown, the tooth part, the visible tooth on top. The famous lifetime warranty almost always applies only to the titanium fixture, and that also only on breakage and the manufacturing defect. Here's the quiet truth. The major implant companies already give that lifetime guarantee or warranty on the fixture as a standard. So a clinic advertising it as their special gift is often just rewrapping the manufacturer's normal policy with a bow on it. And a manufacturing defect in the titanium is genuinely a very rare thing. It's the least likely thing to go wrong. So what about the things that do go wrong? This is where the bow comes off. Most of these warranties don't cover the tooth or the abutment which goes on top of that implant. That has its own shorter warranty, a few years at most. They usually don't cover the surgery, the cost of redoing it, the biological problems which the patients may have. They often don't cover the implant failing to bond with your bone in the first months, which is when the most real failures actually happens. And read this carefully. They are usually void the failure if it is linked to smoking, uncontrolled diabetes, gum disease, or missed maintenance visits. In other words, they exclude the most common real-world reasons why the implants fail. The warranty protects the part that rarely breaks and excuses itself from the parts that do. Think of a car with a lifetime warranty that covers only the chassis frame against a factory flaw. Not the engine, not the tires, not the labor, and it's cancelled if you didn't service the car on time. Technically a warranty, yes, but practically it protects the company more than it protects you. So if a lifetime warranty isn't the real protection, then what is? 3 unglamorous things. The skill and honesty of the dentist placing it, a clear written plan stating plainly who covers what and for how long. If something goes wrong in the first year or two, and your maintenance, an implant like a real tooth needs regular cleaning and checkups to last decades. The biggest thing keeping it healthy isn't a certificate in a drawer. It's you turning up for your reviews, your follow-ups, your maintenance protocol. So don't choose a clinic because of the word lifetime. Ask instead, who's placing it? What's in writing? What does my follow-up look like? If you have been handed a glossy guarantee card and a quote, bring them in. Let's read the actual terms together. And here's what you should know. Real protection is in the planning and the care, not the poster. So if you are looking for an implant center which actually offers you warranty on what can go wrong, plans the treatment carefully according to your time and comfort, come to us at Ivory Dental Clinic and we'll go through this journey together with you. Details are in the description.